A comprehensive guide to growing bellflower. Bellflowers, also known as Campanula, are a diverse group of flowering plants that bring charm and elegance to gardens and landscapes. With their bell-shaped flowers and often long blooming periods, bellflowers add a pop of color and visual interest to any space. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of successfully growing bellflowers, from selecting the right varieties to caring for the plants and enjoying their delightful blooms. Choosing bellflower varieties. Bellflowers come in various species and cultivars, each offering unique flower colors, sizes, and growth habits. Some popular varieties include Campanula carpatica with its compact habit and blue or white flowers, and Campanula lactiflora with its tall stems and pink, lavender, or white flowers. Consider the height, flower color, and growth habit when selecting the bellflower varieties that best suit your garden. Selecting the planting location. Bellflowers generally prefer full sun to partial shade. Choose a location that receives at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight per day for optimal growth and flowering. The soil should be well-draining and fertile. Bellflowers can tolerate a range of soil types, but they thrive in moist, loamy soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Planting bellflowers. Follow these steps to plant bellflowers. Soil preparation. Prior to planting, prepare the soil by removing weeds, rocks, and debris. Work in organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve soil fertility and drainage. Seed starting or transplanting. Bellflowers can be grown from seeds or transplanted as young plants. If starting from seeds, sow them indoors or in a seed tray, following the package instructions. Transplant the seedlings outdoors after the last frost date. For transplanting, dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and place the plant in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the root ball. Water thoroughly after planting. Watering and moisture requirements. Bellflowers require regular watering to keep the soil evenly moist, especially during dry periods. Water deeply, allowing the water to reach the plant's root zone. Avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Mulching around the base of the plants with organic material can help retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Providing proper care. To ensure healthy growth and abundant blooms, follow these care guidelines for bellflowers. Fertilization. Bellflowers generally do not require heavy fertilization. Incorporate organic matter into the soil before planting to provide essential nutrients. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring to support healthy growth. Avoid excessive fertilization, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers by cutting them back to a set of healthy leaves or stems. Deadheading encourages continuous blooming and prevents the plants from diverting energy to seed production. It also helps maintain a neat appearance. Support. Some tall-growing bellflower varieties may require support to prevent them from flopping over. Insert stakes or use plant supports early in the growing season to provide stability and prevent bending or breaking. Division. Over time, bellflowers may become overcrowded. To maintain plant vigor and prevent clumping, divide the plants every few years in early spring or fall. Dig up the clumps and carefully separate them into smaller sections, ensuring each division has a portion of the root system intact. Replant the divisions in well-prepared soil and water thoroughly. Managing pests and diseases. Bellflowers are generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, they may occasionally attract slugs, snails, or suffer from fungal issues such as powdery mildew. Monitor your plants regularly and take appropriate measures, such as using organic pest control methods or applying fungicides if necessary. Good garden hygiene, including removing fallen plant debris, can help prevent disease issues. Enjoying bellflower blooms. Bellflowers offer a range of delightful features to enjoy in your garden. Beautiful flowers. Bellflowers produce bell-shaped flowers in a variety of colors, including shades of blue, purple, pink, and white. The blooms attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. Long blooming period. Depending on the variety, bellflowers can bloom from late spring through summer, providing an extended period of color and interest in the garden. Cut flowers. Bellflowers make excellent cut flowers for floral arrangements. Cut the stems just as the flowers begin to open and place them in a vase with fresh water. Change the water regularly to prolong the vase life. Growing bellflowers is a rewarding and visually appealing endeavor that brings beauty and charm to gardens and landscapes. By following the step-by-step instructions provided in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully cultivate bellflowers and enjoy their delightful blooms. Embrace the process, provide proper care, and witness the enchanting allure of bellflowers flourishing in your garden. Happy growing!